and a redox reaction. So let us try to understand these three words. I'll put it very clearly for you. Anabolic means it is actually, you can remember it in a very simple manner. So you can call it as a make process. So that means anything that is made is called as anabolic processes. Now photosynthesis is anabolic because it is combining carbon dioxide and water together, and it is forming what is called as the food. So these two together are assimilated and they together form the food. That is the reason why it is called as anabolic. So let us look at why it is endergonic. Endergonic is a process where the energy is conserved. So photosynthesis is a process where the energy is actually tapped. So here the energy is actually tapped. That is why it is called as an endergonic process. Whereas if you take respiration, it will be exergonic. If you take respiration, it will be call it as catabolic. So I told you it is opposite all the time. So redox, any redox reaction is a basic. What is that redox reaction? In a reaction where both oxidation and reduction occur together, is called as the redox reaction. So in a redox reaction, why it is called as a redox reaction? Where does the oxidation takes place? Where does the reduction takes place? So it is actually the oxidation of water to obtain the electrons and protons. And then it is called reduction because here 6 moles of carbon dioxide are reduced to form a glucose molecule. So this is the reason we call it as the photosynthesis as an redox reaction. I hope you are clear with what I am telling you here. So let us look into the more details. So what is the importance of photosynthesis? How is it helpful? It is the primary source of all the food, or the primary source of all the food on this earth, because somebody has to tap the solar energy. Somebody should have the capability of assimilating the carbon dioxide. So that is done by the green plants. And then it is a process by which molecular oxygen is released into the atmosphere. So the oxygen that we breathe in is actually coming out maximum from these green plants. So these are the main primary importance of photosynthesis. Other than this, we can quote so many other important examples also. Now, let us enter into some of the basic experiments that were done in the field of photosynthesis. So I'm keeping in view your importance regarding the NEET examination. So I'm not delving deep into the topic where it is not required. So in case of any doubts and queries, we can always have an interaction. So right now I'm going to tell you about the importance of the different experiments that have been performed in related to photosynthesis. So first of all, let us look into the importance of chlorophyll. So all of us know that how the food is synthesized. So you can make it into a much simpler version. So I'll just write it for you. That first, before going to the experiment, I would like to tell you that photosynthesis is a physicochemical process by which the green plants are able to manufacture the food in the presence of sunlight and with the help of chlorophyll molecule.